30 minutes Jamaican gungo rice and peas. Why then don't mess around and make me find out how to make gungo rice and peas in 30 minutes, because me I tell you, growing up, that dry gungo boiling for hours before they can even add rice to that pot. Rice and peas with gungo are my favorite, so you know me excited to learn to make that in 30 minutes or less. I'm use a kind of pigeon peas. So me throw in the first and me season it with everything where me use. Pimento, scallion, pepper, thyme, a little Creole seasoning, coconut milk, black pepper, and a little sugar. Leave out the sugar if you want. Just don't argue with me. Me put little sugar in my rice and peas. So I added a little butter, cover that down, and make that boil for about 10-12 minutes. You know what's your favorite rice and add to it? Mine is jasmine. Stir it up thoroughly, make sure you have the correct amount of water in it. And then cover that down and make it steam for about 20 minutes. Cover it down, seal, now open it. 20 minutes later you open and you come up with something like this. Oh my God. So delicious with any protein. Even if you're a vegan and you decided not to eat meat with it, the rice and peas can eat by itself. Yo, the gungo rice and peas just nice. Serve that up with some braised pig foot or pig trotters if you're nice. And on the other side, I just had a little curry chicken wings. And this was the perfect Sunday dinner. Like I said, you can eat this with anything you choose. Me wax it off. But the purpose of this video was to show you how to make this.